Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for watching today. I got a little special thing that I like to show people. I do this in my demonstration, but it's kind of cool to see it actually in action in your house. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a liquid compost using your Vitamix, or as I like to call it, the garden smoothie, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of the stuff that we have from our house, coffee grounds from our espresso machine, some garlic, peels, eggshells, got the avocado, and a little tangerine peel from breakfast. But what we got from the city was this handy dandy little compost bin. We're supposed to put that on our counter. Of course it attracts flies, bugs, smells bad, the whole thing, and a lot of people don't necessarily want that. Well, if you have a Vitamix, you can do this at home, and it doesn't matter what model that you have. Now, the one that I do have here is the A3500. This is the one that, if you guys have purchased a machine from me, more than likely you've been seeing me use this in my demonstration. Fantastic machine. I'm sure you agree. I tell my friends and family, this is a machine to get. It is their top-of-line model. I'm using the standard container, the low-profile 64-ounce container, and we're going to go ahead and pile all that fun stuff in, blend it up, and make a nice little smoothie for the garden, okay? Now, there's no certain way that you have to put stuff in, however it goes in, it goes in. So got the garlic peels, the espresso grinds, got that tangerine, the avocado peel, eggshells. Okay, now as far as the ratio for water, I usually do about equal amount of water in there. Okay, so let's go ahead. A little bit more. All right, perfect. So you can see we have about equal amount of water. Now, as you can tell, I call it the garden smoothie, all right? So if we're making a smoothie, even for the garden, you can probably guess which setting I'm gonna put it on, and it's gonna be that smoothie setting right there. So in a whopping 50 seconds, we're gonna have this completely liquefied and ready to go. All right, we're all done. So I've had a lot of customers come to me after I've suggested doing this, and they'll see me at a later show and they talk about doing specific composting for specific plants. So things like banana peels for their roses and so on and so forth. Or they'll even take this and they'll pour it into their compost bin. They say it makes their worms very, very happy. However you want to do with that. But the idea of this is one-time convenience. You got your container there. You don't have to have one of these on your counter. I mean, I had to go digging in my garage for that because we just don't even use it. It's an eyesore, you know what I mean? So, things like that. Buying flower food or Miracle-Gro. This is a great way to save yourself time from going to the store, especially during the pandemic when you don't want to leave and stand in line outside of a home goods store or something like that, Home Depot or whatever it might be. So save yourself time, but then save yourself money too. So now we have this beautiful liquid flower food. You can see, how liquidy that is. And that's just gonna soak right down in the soil, right down into the roots. It's gonna be awesome. So you guys try this at home. If you guys have ideas of great combinations for plants, like the banana peels with the roses, things like that you have found, put them in the comments, share the love. Hit that like button if you like the video, you like us making videos, and hit subscribe so that way when we show you new tricks, tips, recipes, and things like that, you get notified when they're there, okay? All right, you guys. Cheers. All right, we have a happy plant. All right, let's go feed the other ones.